Let Garmin Marine Support show you how to connect your Man Overboard tag, or MOB, to your force current trolling motor. For this process, you will need the MOB tag and the force remote connected to the force current trolling motor. The MOB tag will stop the propeller of the force current trolling motor automatically when you leave the kayak. You must wear the MOB tag and make sure it's turned on and paired with the force current trolling motor for the MOB automatic cutoff feature to work properly. The MOB tag is packaged with a carabiner loop, a wristband, and a floating key tag. The carabiner loop can be used to attach the MOB tag to your clothing. Use the watch band to wear it on your wrist. Add the floating key tag to the carabiner or the wristband to prevent the MOB tag from sinking if it is accidentally lost in the water. First, insert one end of the spring bar on the band or carabiner loop into one of the holes on the MOB tag. Next, slide the quick release pin to retract the end of the spring pin. Then align the spring bar with the other hole in the MOB tag and release the pin. Next, power on the trolling motor and the remote. Make sure the remote is paired to the trolling motor. Press and hold the power button on the side of the MOB tag. Press the power button 3 times rapidly to put the MOB tag in pairing mode. A blue light will illuminate on the MOB tag. Next, press the power button on the force current trolling motor 3 times rapidly to place the motor into pairing mode. The status light will turn blue. The blue pairing light on the force current trolling motor will change from blue to green when the MOB tag successfully connects. The MOB icon on the motor will flash from red to a solid green when the MOB tag successfully connects. Press the power button on the MOB tag to check the connection status. Green indicates connected, while red indicates the MOB tag being disconnected from the force current trolling motor. You will also see a battery status light. Green, the battery level is high. Orange, the battery level is medium. And red, the battery level is low. Pressing and holding the MOB button will turn the propeller off. This is useful if you fall out of the kayak. Garmin recommends only operating a kayak with a MOB tag. You can use the MOB override function to temporarily resume normal operation, for example, to get to safety in an emergency. Press menu or the 3 lines on the remote after the motor has lost connection to the MOB tag and the propeller has stopped. Press settings. Trolling motor. MOB tag override mode. Toggle this setting on. You can also initiate the MOB override by pressing and holding the MOB override button on the force current trolling motor. Wait for the long beep. A blinking red light will display on the MOB status. The force current trolling motor will now operate without the MOB tag connected. The force current trolling motor will automatically disable the MOB override mode if the MOB tag is recovered and the connection is restored with the trolling motor. Hold the MOB button on the MOB tag to resume normal operation. Dismissing the MOB message on the remote will also resume normal operation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.